Oh my God! Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Fluid mechanics is the branch of physics and engineering concerned with the behavior of fluids, liquid, gases, and plasmas at rest and motion and the forces acting upon them. It is divided into fluids, fluids at rest, and fluid dynamics, fluids in motion, covering critical applications in engineering, meteorology, and biology. This video provides a general introduction to the field of fluids mechanics. Mabuhay and welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety. Please stow your baggage on the overhead bin or place under the seats in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed. Din 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 din. Ano ba? Sabi nyo ay Google ko eh. Yeah, electronic. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. Dati nung college ako, guys, lagi kaming pinaggagana na, emergency banda! Meron kaming subject before nung college, guys. Ano siya? Tawag doon. Kasi di ba tourism ako? So, parang nag-ano na talaga, may training sa airline, ganyan. So, ano daw yung gagawin pag nagpanic kapag ka-FA ka? Uunahin mo pala yung pasyente, no? Ay, pasyente, pasahero. Yan nga eh, paano pag napiyok? Kasi mga kaklase ko, ay, garalasan ng buhok. Paano yung gano'n? Emergency banda! May mga sinasabi pa yun eh. Ano ba sinasabi doon? Emergency banda. Ito, brace for impact! May mga ganun din. Emergency band down! Kailangan ganun yung pagkakasabi. Hindi pwedeng emergency band down. Nag-milcom ka. What's milcom? Diba? Kailangan ganun yung pagkakasabi. Pagka tourism ka. Ganun. Emergency band down! Gumaganon. Sino tong si Who Dusts? Who the heck are you, my friend? Why is your name Who Dust? Sino ka? So, ganun siya. Grabe yung subject namin na yun. Super hirap. Kasi ang dami namin kinabisado. Then, nagko-compute. Alam nyo, kala nyo ba walang math sa tourism? Meron din. Nagko-compute kami ng, miles per hour. Marami din kami kino-compute. Hindi nga ako bumagsak doon. Makinis, maputi siya. Oo, nag-compute ng mabuhay.